Gyamfua, thank you so much for coming today to the Texila graduation ceremony. And what motivated you to pursue a PhD in education at Texila American University?
Thank you so much. In fact, I did my MA, Masters in Educational Leadership, and I needed to further it due to my position in the institution that I am. So I had to further it by doing the PhD in order to help me get enough knowledge and skills in doing everything with the human life.
Right. And why did you choose Central University of Nicaragua for your doctoral studies?
Yeah, I chose the school because I read much about it and I realized it's accredited internationally and it's acknowledged by my country and other things. So I needed to do that and further it with you. So that is why I chose.
Wonderful.
UCN.
And what advanced educational leadership or research skills did you gain during the program?
A lot. I gained a lot of skills and knowledge. When it comes to leadership skills, I've been in so many positions, leadership positions, being a head of departments and in my institution and others. So I needed to upgrade in the skills and knowledge in it. So I had to enroll to acquire those things, my human relations, social things and that. So I have to, and I have been advanced in it.
Thank you. And which academic or research experience that impacted you the most?
The research experience, you see, when I started the course, my topic was headmistresses, how the female acquired the headmistresses position. So I had to go to them and see how they got those positions, how they went about it. They made me know it's not easy. You need to work hard and you need to be courageous in doing something. So it motivated me in advancing those things I have to do. So I have
all right. That experience that impacted you the most. Yeah. All right. And how did Texila American University faculty contribute to your academic progress?
In the academic progress, the university helped a lot. You see, sometimes it's difficult in getting some materials and other research things. So with the course work, you see, reading materials will come for you for research and other things. So the materials are available, and then immediate communication. When your queries are given, you see that they bring prompts responses, and then so it's helped a lot. You have to communicate with your mentors and those things, and we are getting early things. So communication was very effective for us.
That helped you most from the faculty side. And how is the PhD is helping you in your role as a Deputy Director of Education?
Yes. You see, the role of Deputy Director in Education, you qualify for some positions as Headship, other assistantship, and even to move on to lecturing. So it has helped me in acquiring other skills that will help me do that. And I have realized my leadership skills using it's good to choose the democracy, that you get effective communication with your staff and other people, getting closer, how to relate to them. So this course program has helped me a lot and restructuring my leadership position as a deputy director.
Wonderful.
Yeah, thank you.
And what challenges did you face during your PhD journey, and how did Texila American University help?
When we talk of challenges, everything has a challenge.
Right.
You can't get everything just for free and so simple, soft life, right? So I encountered so many of them, even to get the heads to interview them on the research. Sometimes they'll be doing, go and come. This day I'm not around. It was a challenge. And then internet. See that sometimes it's not stable. When you need enough materials and other things that you have to download from, then the network will not be stable for you to do. And then also, you see, sometimes you are eager to do something that will help you get or gain a good result of them. That is where you see the hinges that will come. And people will also make you feel like, why are you doing this? You have, it was a challenge. And then also, due to the distance, because it was a distance program,
Right.
sometimes we had the difficult in reaching out
Right.
and getting results immediately
Right.
as you wanted the time. So all those things were a challenge. Sometimes you put a query, your mentor may not be around. It take about 2-3 days before you get a response, and that was a challenge. Sometimes you feel like, oh, why did I do this? Why? But you have to move
Right.
on and that. So with the challenges, we
Right.
went through it.
Thank you so much for that. And what message do you would like to give for the future PhD in education candidates?
In fact, the message is simple, that in everything that you want to do, when you need to be determined and focus what you want to do, you don't listen to the things people will say about you and that, so that it will help you be courageous enough to do whatever you have determined to do, and to achieve the goal that you have set. That's what I have for them.
All right. Thank you so much for that. It's been wonderful talking to you.
You're welcome.
Looking forward to meeting you
Thank you
tomorrow.
so
Thank you
much.
so much.